honors and distinguished guests. First of all, I am very much thankful for the presence of Mayor who has managed this time to grace this ceremony. And Dr. Amjad, Mr. Amjad, he said that he is very friendly oriented. I endorse and add one more thing, that he is very committed. Because when we met yesterday, of course I know that the problem of the mayors, that it was not possible for mayors to manage the time to attend the ceremony. But he made commitment that he would make all his efforts to give his presence. I am very much thankful, sir, that you have honored your word, and this has given me much encouragement. I am delighted to be here this evening in this magnificent building and the seat of local government power, and thank his worshipful Mayor, the Waltham Forest presidents and members of the International Health Foundation and Waltham Forest Pakistani Community Forum for hosting this reception, which is a great honor for me. I do not have words to express my gratitude to two important personalities, Dr. Ahmad Ali Khan and Dr. Lord Shawkat, who have been very instrumental in arranging this reception ceremony. I know of the both Professor Dr. Khan and Dr. Shawkat, as both have been working closely with the University of Karachi. Time to time, they visit the University of Karachi in Pakistan, and whenever they are in Pakistan, they always deliver their services. We organize the conference and seminar, and they never feel hesitations for attending such seminars, and we all are benefited by their knowledge. Dr. Khan is also a visiting professor, and we feel proud that our university and the Vice Chancellor of our university has kindly given this the appointment of an honorary professor, honorary visiting professor, and Dr. Shawkat too, where they also act as an external evaluators. They are very much valuable for our academic development. We involve them as an external evaluators for our PhD degrees, and they are members of various academic journals which are and are regular visitors to the university, their contribution to the University of Karachi. Yesterday I attended, along with Dr. Ahmad Ali Khan and Dr. Shawkat Khan, the unveiling ceremony of the Wall of Honor, where names of all those who have contributed to the well-being of humanity throughout the world and from all over the world are inscripted on the glass in the inner courtyard of the building. The Royal Society of Medicine, in their prestigious building in central London, in the presence of over 700 distinguished pioneers in the medicine, doctors, researchers, consultants, and others related to the medicine and their guests. I was very much humbled to be included in such a list of distinguished people whose names are written on the Wall of Honor now and will remain, I am told, forever. It was also humbling because I believe I was the first from the non-medical background to be honored such way, and most importantly from Pakistan. The other distinguished Pakistani whose name was in crossed few years ago is that Dr. Ahmad Ali Khan. When the president of the society, Professor Sir the level of the pride and delight that all of us felt. I wish such news is broadcast more than often than the doom and the gloom we are always hearing on the media these days. Today we had also meeting with Sethi, the treasurer of the Royal Society of Medicine, and we had devised the mechanism for creating our linkage with the University of Karachi, particularly for the global health services. That in what way the RSM that would create a linkage to provide the support to the Karachi University, so the Karachi University as a standard university could also play its significant role in reducing the health problem, mental health problem, as well as the psychological problem. And we hope that we would make a strong tie with the RSM. And we could see the delight of Pakistan and guests when I presented a gift on behalf of Karachi University and instead on behalf of the people of Pakistan, which was greatly appreciated, and I was told that this will be kept prominently in the building for all to see. Whereas the University of Karachi is concerned, I am giving a very brief about the University of Karachi. University of Karachi, as you know, that is one of the largest public university of Pakistan, having more than 35,000 students, 25,000 in the morning program and 10,000 in the evening program. So you could see that how the Karachi University is delivering the services for educating the people. This is not only educating the students, but this is also educating, providing the facilities for education, to advancing the education to the professionals who used to work in the evening and they don't have time to get their higher educations in morning. So they have opportunity as a professional that they can avail the opportunity of doing their masters and PhDs in the evening program. So this is Karachi University is also a social oriented and it is delivering the corporate social responsibility. CSR. We have a good number of PhDs, and as myself is concerned, Dr. Khan has already pointed out that so far I have produced more than 30 PhDs, and particularly in the area of human resource development, management, as well as some of the social problems. Education is the backbone of the society, and we are striving to the best within the very limited resource and opportunities. As you know, the current situation in Pakistan is such that it is very difficult for the institution like Karachi University to carry out its desired objectives or use its services and limited resources to their full capacity, but we are all well committed and dedicated in fulfilling the vision of our founding fathers, that of creating an educated and well-disciplined nation. The role that the Pakistan diaspora is playing here very crucial, not only in UK but also in Pakistan. It is not just your remittance that are much valued, but also the skills and support in all other fields, from business investment, sharing of technology, education, medicine, research, academic collaborations, youth and social exchange, all are the part of the support and collaborations. I am told that this area of London has one of the largest resident of Pakistani communities, contributing to the well-being of the local society. Your positive roles and responsibilities make us all very proud of you. We are very much hope that many of you who have been very lucky and privileged to have gained education, knowledge and experience should share such with us in Pakistan too. Earlier, either joining us in the universities or through lectures like Dr. Ahmad Ali Khan and Dr. Shaukat Khan, or engage in other innovative ways that could benefit the youth of Pakistan too. Finally, once again I am grateful to you all for such welcome and honor, and if ever you are wishing visiting Pakistan and are in Karachi, do visit the university too. With this,